So in this video we're gonna learn about series circuit. So first we will do the theory part, then we will do the practical with the actual components. So when we connect our components one after another in a single path, it means the electric current has only one path to flow. Suppose I'm using here LED. So this is my first LED, second LED and third LED. So it has two pins, a smaller pin and longer pin, right? So a smaller pin is the negative pin of the LED and the longer pin is the positive pin of the LED. So when we connect our LED side by side one after another, it means when we connect the positive of the first LED to the negative pin of the second LED, and the positive pin of the second LED we're gonna connect in the negative pin of the third LED side by side. And we're gonna use one battery here. I'm using 9 volt battery to give the power supply to our circuit, right? So it has two terminals, positive terminal and negative terminal, right? So we have to use one resistor here to protect our LEDs. This is the symbol of the resistor. It is connected in the positive pin of the third LED, and we're gonna connect the negative pin of the first LED to the negative of the battery. This is the symbol of the resistor. It is denoted by R. So our current will move from the positive of the battery to the third LED, then it will goes to the second LED, then it will move to the first LED in a single path like this. Okay, it will move in a single path, right? So this is the series circuit, and here is the circuit diagram. So better understanding, we're gonna connect everything like this with the actual component. Okay, so first we're gonna need breadboard, then we need few LEDs. I'm using 3 LEDs here. Then we're gonna need register, then jumper wire and 9 volt battery for giving the power supply. Now see, our LED have two pins, positive pin and negative pin. Longer pin is the positive and the smaller pin is the negative. So we're gonna connect it here. You can connect anywhere, okay, in the breadboard. So connect it like this, and then we're gonna attach the second LED and third LED just like this, just like the circuit diagram. Okay, now on the, see, both pins are in the same line. You have to connect in the same line of the breadboard so that they are connected, interconnected to each other. And now we're gonna connect the one side of the resistor in the positive pin of the third LED. Then we're gonna connect the other side of the resistor to the positive of the battery. We're gonna give the positive power supply to the other side, right? Now we're gonna connect one jumper wire in the negative pin of the first LED, and we're gonna connect it to the negative of the battery to give the negative power supply to our whole circuit. Okay, now this is the whole connection as you can see it. Now we're gonna connect the batteries here. See, red wire is the positive wire and black wire is the negative wire of the battery. So we're gonna connect the positive wire here. As you can see, from here it will get the positive current, and now we're gonna connect the negative here. Now see, our LED is glowing perfectly, right? So this is the whole connection. Now if you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section. I will try to answer every question. Okay, see, this is the whole video. Thank you.